Hello. How are you? Good. Just want to ask if the road is okay up to Massabit and after Massabit. It's okay? No problems. Yeah, it's good. It's good road now, huh? It's finished. Ah, good, good. From New Zealand. Yeah. We start in Switzerland, in Europe. We go to Morocco, Mauritania, Senegal, to Congo, Angola to South Africa, and now we go back on the east coast. So Namibia, Botswana, Tanzania, Malawi, Kenya, Ethiopia, Sudan, Egypt. Yeah, thank you, thank you. All right, thank you. Take care. Huh?
I like the heat.
The warmth.
Yeah.
Yeah, back in the real world.
Yeah.
Oh, my balls. Maybe my seat is wrong. I'm just not used to it. The fuck is that thing? Huh?
Good road.
Yeah, really good roads. I want to take a video just going off road.